Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best photography ring lights in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Tygot 10 inches Big LED Ring Light. This high-power 10W ring LED is suitable for most devices that support USB ports, such as laptops, PCs, mobile power, USB chargers, AC adapters, etc. There are 4 buttons on the selfie ring light, which can be turned on/off, switch the lighting mode and adjust the brightness level. It is easy to find your favorite option in seconds. Ideal for using lighting in the studio, makeup in the locker room, camping, live streaming, etc. This brand makes it easy to adjust the color temperature from 3400K to 5600K easily without using color filters. Achieve cold white light or warm light to hide blemishes and change skin tones quickly and easily. LED SMD design and 220 PCS LED beads on our ring light offers more light for your camera photography, live streaming, Facebook Live, beauty makeup, selfies and videos. The LED ring light is equipped with 220 high-quality SMD LEDs and 3 different lighting modes: white light, natural light, and warm light, bright enough to beautify your face. Each lighting mode has 9 adjustable brightness levels to meet all your needs on different occasions. This is the perfect dimmable day lighting to eliminate all unpleasant shadows. This ring light has a rotating, 360 degrees, phone holder and a retractable tripod that effortlessly helps you capture different levels of brightness and angles of lighting. The phone holder is suitable for most smartphones. Number 2. Our second best pick is Neewer 18-inch SMD LED ring light. This LED ring light is one of my absolute favorite studio options out there, and here's why. First, the ring is a great size, perfect for lighting small and medium-sized products. Second, this model offers a suite of options for flexible shooting. The normal color temperature is 5500K, but an orange filter, effectively an orange flash gel, allows you to easily warm up the temperature, while a white filter lets you produce diffused, soft light. And the ring light features a huge brightness range. This ensures easy shooting in all kinds of conditions. The stand is a nice bonus, which extends to an impressive 78 inches. It also includes a hot shoe adapter and a phone holder, which allows you to position your camera or your phone within the ring itself to shoot the subject directly. While the iVisii option, above, offers the convenience of a wireless remote, the Neewer comes at a better price, so if you're on a budget but still require a quality product, it's a great pick. Number 3. Our third best pick is Neewer 48 Macro LED Ring Flash. This ring light is a strong budget option, offering decent lighting at an affordable price. This light comes with adapters to fit most lenses: 49mm, 52mm, 55mm, 58mm, 62mm, 67mm, 72mm, and 77mm. It offers several filters for changing the lighting temperature, including blue, 9000K, yellow, 3000K, and white, 5000K. It offers several handy lighting modes, including the option to fire the left and right lights independently, but the flash is tough to use. Like the Bolt, it lags, which makes it difficult to work with fast shutter speeds in its flash modes. So if you're someone who needs a good strobe, you should look at one of the other options on this list. Also, it is built fairly cheaply. It's all plastic and feels flimsy. Yet while the Neewer 48 isn't the best ring light out there, it'll get the job done for a fantastically low price. If you're not sure whether product photography is for you, it's a great starting point. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is PLOTURE Ring Light. This ring light is another nice budget option. It caters to macro product photographers who aren't ready to purchase a high-level flash but want to try it out as a lighting option. No, it's not going to win any awards for the most versatile light out there. but this PLOTURE model does offer several useful features. First, the light comes with 8 lens adapters, 49mm, 52mm, 55mm, 58mm, 62mm, 67mm, 72mm, and 77mm, as well as 3 color filters, white, orange, and blue. This lets you mount the light to pretty much every lens you own. And you can use the color filters to give your shots slightly different looks: cold, neutral, and warm. This ring light also sports 4 useful lighting modes. The left flash mode and the right flash mode let you shoot with half of the flash. The standard/full flash mode operates as a normal flash, and the full light mode works as a continuous light, allowing you to see the light's effect before you shoot. Serious photographers should consider grabbing one of the other models on this list, but beginners on a budget will be plenty impressed by what the PLOTURE ring light has to offer. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Bolt VM160 LED Macro Ring Light. This is the best macro ring light for product photography. While there are fancier options, see several of the choices below, the Bolt succeeds where it's most needed. In offering nice, consistent lighting for detailed macro product photography. It mounts easily to your camera's hot shoe and to the front of your lens. It comes with a series of adapters that screw into the lens threads: 49mm, 52mm, 55mm, 58mm, 62mm, 67mm, 72mm, and 77mm. That way, you can use the light on all your product lenses without needing to buy any additional kit, or worse, additional lights. And while the build quality isn't stellar, the unit is almost entirely plastic, the light gets the job done. This is powerful enough for most close-up applications, including jewelry and toy photography. And you'll appreciate the variable brightness options, which allow you to change the power to suit your situation. You can shoot with only the right side or left side of the light, and several color filters are included so you can warm up and cool down the light color in moments. Note that it offers both continuous lighting and flash mode, though the flash lags slightly behind the camera shutter, so it'll only work with slower shutter speeds. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.